Hello everybody. My cuckoo clock is going off. How appropriate. Welcome to my studio in Tampa, Florida. My name is John Costin and I want to share my art with you through this virtual art gallery. You know, almost anybody can draw birds. A few lines for wings, a circle for the body. But I want to create remarkable birds that take you on a journey of discovery. Like birds in real life, my art has a sensitivity that draws your eye into a world of fascination and wonderment. My birds are life size, and they take on a character and personality that I want you, the viewer, to connect with, like looking at a portrait. For me, birds are like contemporary flying dinosaurs that have changed through a complex evolution. Each piece is handmade in a tradition of old world craftsmanship. My etchings are made on copper plates by hand, no photo or automated processes, then printed by hand. The copper plate is my canvas, and each piece evolves like the birds they depict. I honestly don't know what they are going to look like until they are completely finished. It is a stressful way of working because of the personal investment and uncertainty, but surprises, growth, and discovery make it well worthwhile. I use the best quality archival materials available when creating these pieces. Approximately 2 weeks after the printing, when the ink is dry, each is meticulously hand-painted with transparent watercolor. There is so much handwork involved in making my art. Each one is slightly unique. So when you purchase one of my etchings, not only are you getting a special piece of art, but you're also getting a piece of me.